Yeah, hello. Yep, I'm literally just walking in. For some reason, there was a lot of traffic today. Guess what happened at work today? Today, someone in the office. You know how like I always try to hide the fact that I have a YouTube channel. I want people to find out organically. So someone saw me editing like after working hours. Please, I feel like it's creepy. I honestly don't want people at work to know. I don't know, but I probably didn't keep quiet about it. Hi, I'm Antwiwaa. I live in Accra and I'm moving out to my parents' house for the very first time. In this series, I share my moving out journey and what I'm learning, among other things. If you're ready, grab a seat and you're welcome to my moving series. I don't wanna let myself down. Tonight is going to be my very first night alone in this apartment, which is a bit scary, I'm not gonna lie. And I thought that since I didn't have company, for the past nights my brother was here, he spent the night with me, which was such a good thing because I would have been a bit scared to do that alone. But he's gone home now and it's just me in this place all by myself. So I thought that since I didn't have any company, why not invite you to spend the evening with me? So let me ask you, do you accept my invitation to spend the evening with me or not? For starters, I haven't eaten. I've had just lunch today at work. So my first point of call is the kitchen. I'm going to find something to eat. So dinner is served. This is what it looks like. This is not how I intended for it to come out, if I'm being honest. I had an entirely different idea of what it would look like, so I'll try again. Pretty much the same ingredients, but I will give it another try just to show you what I had in mind. It's good. So I'll do it properly and I'll share it again in another vlog. Anyway, one thing I absolutely like, one idea that definitely excited me about moving out was the fact that I can get to try out new dishes, risk it all without risking anybody's stomach. Like, if this went wrong, right, the only person that will suffer is me. I don't have a family to feed. I don't have any kids sitting at a table waiting for mommy to finish cooking, or a husband who has come back from work and is exhausted and is waiting for dinner to be ready. It's just me. So if I try out a recipe and it's messed up, I can always try again. So that's one of the things I'll be doing in this apartment, trying out, sitting on the floor, and I'm using my chair as a tabletop. Anyway, so yeah, I'll be trying out a lot of recipes. I don't know how to bake at my big age, so it's also something I intend to learn how to do. This is really to offer you a bite. There you go. Today was somewhat of a busy day at work. I had some deadlines. I had to follow up quickly on some people and some departments that owed me stuff. So I did that. I don't enjoy eating and talking. I don't even think it's not good table manners, right? It's not good manners. So if you'd excuse me, I'm gonna go finish my food. Almost done, by the way. And I will see you in a few seconds, yeah? Cheers.
It's feeling like me season right now. I feel so bad for anybody who doesn't fuck with me. Mute me, block me, whatever you need to do. because it's the me season right now. I don't know.
I got some curtains the other day. These ones, these curtains. Yeah, the curtains that I brought from home, I like share curtains because I like to wake up to the sun in my room. I like very airy, bright rooms, even if it's the bedroom. So typically I'd go for see-through share curtains. But in this apartment, I'm on the top floor and my windows are sliding windows. So if you're downstairs and I turn on the light and it's nighttime, you can literally see every single thing that's going on in there, which doesn't sit well with me. So instead of switching out my share curtains, this is what they look like, by the way. If you look outside, you see how sheer it is. You can literally see everything outside. So because I don't want to switch these out completely, I'm going to layer these under these so that I still have this look, but there's this one behind it that is keeping people outside from seeing inside. So yeah, these ones are less see-through, right? So I'm going to layer them. I'm gonna put the translucent one over the see-through one, and then they go onto the wood. You'd not believe what just happened if I told you. So I finished putting up my curtains, and the moment I was trying to turn to get to my camera, the lights went out. Thankfully not a long time, because I was like, if these lights stay out for the entire night, it's going to be a movie. It's currently 10:30, so I have like 30 minutes to an hour to wrap up and call it a night. All done with my dishes. Taking my evening bath.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but I didn't like. And
now my bed is Ollie, or should I say mattress, because technically I don't have a bed. My bed frame is coming. It will come soon. I don't know when, because I haven't placed the order for it. So if you're watching this and you want to sponsor, you know, the whole bed situation, be my guest. I'm open to sponsorship and collaborations. And so I placed an order for a bed frame. That's my bed. Now we come to one of the last things I do before I go to bed, which is journaling. This is my journal. I got a spiral journal for 2022. I am almost not half, but I've exhausted a good amount of it. Look at that. So all this has been used, and all I have left is this. I usually start my journal in the morning, so you see that this is my entry from today, the morning of today, and I like to wrap it up in the evening with how the day went and what I'm grateful for. Yes, I'm one of them. One of those people that uses multiple colored pens and highlighter. Yeah, I'm one of them. Today, I'm grateful for, I just checked my YouTube studio and I had hit 3,500 subscribers, so that's one of the things I'm grateful for. I'm also grateful for peace of mind and quiet. I really appreciate the silence very much. So I think silence is underrated. I'm just gonna go ahead and scribble some more things that I'm not ready to share on the internet. I think I'm ready to go to bed now. I have to go to work in the morning, and I think it's almost midnight, if it's not already midnight. After journaling, I usually also say a prayer before I go to bed. But thank you for spending part of my first night in this apartment with me. It was nice having you here. I definitely didn't feel like I was here alone. I felt like you were here with me, which hopefully doesn't sound insane. Anyway,